What's up everybody, it's me Peyton from Judge Day Fitness, and today I'm going to tell you guys how to gain mass. Now this is for people who are beginners or people who are stuck in a rut and can't seem to gain that extra muscle, or maybe you've peaked or something, like you get those newbie gains out of the way. Either way, this video is for you. I know a thing or two about gaining mass and size. I've had to do it twice over. First time when I began lifting and I went all the way up to a really good size, and then I got cancer, went back down to a really small size, and got back up to a really big size again. So I've done it twice over. I know a thing or two about gaining mass. So sit back, relax, and let's learn something. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you need to find out how many calories you need to be consuming on the daily if you want to gain that muscle mass and that size. Okay, so we're going to cover this in two parts. The first part is going to be if you're skinny, second part is going to be if you're overweight. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find out what our maintenance calories are. Okay, so that is the amount of calories you burn on the daily. So if you hit that amount of calories every single day, then you usually don't lose weight or gain weight, you just stay the same weight, okay? So how you're gonna find that is you're gonna take your body weight, okay? I'm 175, I'm gonna calculate it right here, all right? I'm 175, what you're gonna do with that is you're gonna take your body weight and you're going to multiply it by either 12 to 18, okay? It just depends on your level of activity. I think I'm pretty active, so I'm gonna be nice and I'm gonna give myself a 16 out of 18, Give me a round of applause, please. No, I'm kidding. So if I want to gain weight, then I'm going to add 500 calories to that. If I want to lose weight, I'm going to subtract 500 calories to that, all right? And another thing is, like, some people will say, oh, it's not always accurate, but it's pretty accurate, okay? And if it's not accurate, just start playing around with your calories. If you don't see a change, add or subtract calories until you start seeing the weight movement that you want to see. So if you're skinny and you're trying to gain muscle mass, you're going to plug in the formula like I just said, body weight times 12 to 18, and you're going to add 500 calories. Alright, that's what you're going to do if you're skinny. If you're overweight and you want to start building muscle anyways, which is exactly what I think people should do, I don't think people should just cut down to like 10% body fat and then start gaining muscle. I think you should kind of meet in the middle. So what you want to do if you're trying to meet in the middle, like I personally suggest all my clients, what I would suggest is that you find your maintenance calories, you keep doing your maintenance calories, and then you follow the rest of the steps I'm going to provide in this video. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your body weight, and for every pound of body mass that you have, you are going to put in 1 gram of protein. Alright, so for example, I weigh 175 pounds. If I want to start gaining muscle mass, I'm going to have to start eating 175 grams of protein every single day. Now, with both the calorie amount and the protein amount, you don't have to be spot on accurate. You can go over, you can go a little bit under, it doesn't matter. It's all going to work out in the end. It's it's really hard when you get exact numbers, like let's say 3,000 calories with 175 grams of protein. It's really hard to plan out in advance and find the exact foods that you need in order to meet those goals exactly. But again, just as close as you can get to that, that is fine. And if you want to go over on the protein, that's fine as well. Just don't, just make sure you're getting enough carbs and fats in as well, because those are very important to your body's functioning. Next thing that needs to happen is every single part of your body needs to get worked, all right? You need to be doing biceps, triceps, forearms, traps, back, upper, mid, and lower, your core, your chest, your shoulders, your legs. I know I hate training legs too, but you gotta do legs, your glutes, your calves, quads, hamstrings, all of it needs to be worked, all right? So you need to do that. Now with that, I would recommend that every single muscle in your body gets worked at least once or twice a week. Once is better for maintenance, twice or 3 times is better for growth as well. That's why I do full body. I go to the gym 3 days a week, and I do full body every single time. That way it gives me a day of rest in between each workout, and I work everything 3 times a week. So just keep that in mind. Now another thing you need to do is you need to make sure you're doing progressive overload. Alright, that means that you're really challenging yourself and you're making sure that you do an amount of sets and reps that are going to really challenge you and make sure you're fatigued afterwards, okay? So if I do bicep curls and my arms aren't burning by the end of those bicep curls, then I need to get back on those bicep curls. I need to pick that bar up again. I need to do it again, okay? Now, I don't care if you have small weights. I don't care if you're doing calisthenics. Whatever it is, you need to make sure that you are going to a point where you are having trouble doing those last few reps, okay? That's progressive overload. And the reason I'm going to stress the importance of progressive overload is because you're overloading the muscles, alright? And your body is meant to adapt to situations. So when you're overloading the muscles and you're saying, hey, we're really struggling here, what can we do about this? Your body's gonna say, I'm gonna pump out more testosterone, I'm gonna build up those muscles, so you're gonna be stronger and better and faster and bigger, and that's what's gonna happen. You're gonna get better, bigger, stronger, and faster, all right? The next thing you're gonna do is something you should already be doing regardless of whether you're working out or not. You should be making sure that you are getting plenty of water and 8 hours of sleep, okay? Maybe your number is more around 6. I think my number for the correct amount of sleep is 6, but it is very important that you do both of these things to maintain your internal health, but also to help you recover, okay? Your water keeps you hydrated, keeps those muscles hydrated, and it's just very important that you drink water. I don't need to explain that to you guys, but your sleep is very important for helping you heal at night. What happens is when you're working out, you're breaking down those muscles, and when you sleep, you're allowing them to repair and come back and build themselves bigger, okay? You build muscle while you are sleeping just as much as you do when you're in the gym lifting weights, all right? So that's gonna wrap up today's video with you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, found it informational and educational and entertaining, all that stuff. If you are in need of diet help or workout programming help, I sell both of those. I sell customized workout programs and customized diet plans now. I am willing to help you guys. I would love to help you guys, all right? Also, my Instagram is in the description below. Use my email preferably, or my Instagram if you're gonna try and contact me about a customized workout program. You know, I'm always checking everything, but it's just the best way to reach me. So I'm trying to post videos more often. Let me know what you guys want to see. Comment your thoughts in the comment section down below, because again, I always love to hear from you guys regardless, okay? So with that being said, I will see you guys later. I hope you have a great day.